Kim is setting all the timers. Okay, so here's the first one. So, but yeah, put it right in the vase. Oh, that'll echo real good. It's 4 o'clock, 4:21 in the morning. Whew, I am tired. The birds are chirping outside, and these alarms are about to start going off. I need to go set up camera. Oh, I can smell it from here. There we go, just pour it right on there.
It smells so bad.
It's time to go to school, little buddy.
Oh, it smells so bad. Dude, that was epic. That was rough, man. Oh,
Tired?
that was a good prank. I didn't even know how angry I was, man.
Yeah. Yeah, so I got you coming out of your room, and you got like your Superman underwear on. With one of them, you got this massive wedgie, and you just like pick it right in the camera. I'm like, oh man. And Speedos, whatever. They weren't what I wear. I wear boxers. Yours were a little tight.
I were a little tight.
You alright?
Huh?
You don't remember.
What happened?
Oh, I knew it.
You don't remember what happened to you last night.
Dude, yeah, what happened last night? What happened? Oh, this is stinks, man. Oh, this is stinks. It's cool, people. Wait! That shit ain't coming off! What the hell did you all do?
Baby, it was just a prank. Jeez, stop.